Here I've got LGK8 2018, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then go to General, so it's the very last tab, scroll down a bit and open Security. Now you have to go to the bottom of the list where you will notice Unknown Sources. So if you truly want to allow installation of apps from sources other than Google Play Store, simply tap here and just come along with the notification. So if any attack will be performed, then it's all on you, allow it, and that's it. From now on, you will be able to install apps from other sources than Google Play Store. And then, if anytime you would like to switch off this function, simply tap on the same switcher one more time. And that's it. That's all. This is how you can allow unknown sources in your LGK8 2018. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.